Cars, like years, fly by. But this campaign sign marks a significant point in the life of Jody Jenkins. He became Union County Judge Executive following in the footsteps of his father. Jenkins was first elected in 2006, re-elected in 2010, and re-elected again in 2014. The sign from yesteryear, while faded and tattered and incomplete, still rings true, because what we do today impacts tomorrow. When they're not meeting beyond the old wooden courthouse doors, Union County's 5 magistrates and judge executive frequently travel to state conferences, like any other fiscal court in the Commonwealth. But records obtained by Eyewitness News suggest that, unlike most fiscal courts in western Kentucky,
anything else?
Union County's judge and magistrates typically travel more and spend more. For comparison purposes, Eyewitness News submitted open records requests for travel expenses incurred by the magistrates and judge executives from Henderson, Davis, Hopkins, Webster, and Muhlenberg counties. In terms of total population, Union County has the second fewest residents of the group. When it comes to the criteria for what's considered a travel expense, not every county is the same. To narrow the scope, we limited the comparison to expenses related to hotel stays and meals. In 2013, our analysis shows that Union County Judge Executive Jody Jenkins racked up nearly $6,200 in documented hotel and meal expenses. That was more than the judge executives in Henderson, Webster, Hopkins, and Davis counties. Records show only Muhlenberg County Judge Executive Rick Newman spent more, $6,900, but that would not be the same in 2014. Records show Union County Judge Executive Jody Jenkins spent nearly $6,700 on hotel and meal expenses, compared to Judge Newman's expenses, which were just short of $4,500. As for Union County's 5 magistrates, records show in 2013 they spent more on hotels and meals than every county except Hopkins County, which has 2 more magistrates than Union County. History would repeat itself in 2014, as Union County's magistrates again outpaced every county except for Hopkins, which again has more magistrates.
It's going to bind the fiscal court.
While some of the travel expenses appear to be for legitimate county business, other expenses appear more suspect. For example, records show the county racked up $270 in late fees, over limit fees, and interest on the county credit card. Expense records also show Jenkins spent $168 in public money on valet parking for himself. Meanwhile, the magistrates who were attending the same conference as Judge Jenkins did not. Additionally, records show on July 11, 2013, Judge Jenkins used the county credit card to pay for dinner at the Joe's Crab Shack location in Louisville. According to the receipt, the taxpayers picked up the tab for 2 drinks, an appetizer, and 2 orders of snow crab. The total, including tip, was $73.66. In February 2014, the account summary for the county credit card shows a charge for $102.10 at a Radio Shack location in Key West, Florida. The voucher claim clearly describes the transaction as travel expenses, Jody. According to the receipt tied to this transaction, Judge Jenkins purchased a Mophie Juice Pack Air for an iPhone 4 from the Radio Shack in Key West, Florida. It's a specialized iPhone case that also has an external battery. The receipt also shows Jenkins opted for a 1-year warranty on the case, bringing the grand total to $102. According to Union County sources, Jenkins often vacations in South Florida. In October 2014, while Judge Jenkins was staying at the Griffin Gate Marriott Resort and Spa in Lexington, expense records show Jenkins used the county credit card to pay for food and in-room movies. The additional charges amounted to $43. A month later, he reimbursed the county for the full amount. However, records show that was not the case earlier in the year. While at the same hotel in February 2014, records show Judge Jenkins used taxpayer money to pay for a $19 in-room movie. The receipt also shows $34 for room service, bringing it to a grand total of $53.35. Nowhere in the 1,000-plus pages of credit card statements does it show Judge Jenkins reimbursing the county for this expense.
Claims and transfers.
Union County taxpayers elected and then re-elected Judge Executive Jody Jenkins in hopes that he would be a good steward of the public's money. But when it comes to his use of that money on things like room service and a top-of-the-line iPhone case.
Jody, how you doing?
Good.
We talked about some of your travel expenses.
Jenkins elected not to answer any questions.
$73 charge at Joe's Craft Shack. Got a $100 charge for a phone case from a Radio Shack in Key West, Florida. $168 in valet parking, $270 in late fees, interest, and overdraft payments.